Here's how to appear confident when telling your story using your body language. Hey, this is Lynn Graff. I help founders create and tell great stories. People are always subconsciously picking up the things that your body, your face, and your mannerisms are doing. Now that can lead to negative impressions. For instance, if you're slumping or looking down, they may think of that as a negative or even kind of shady character that you're presenting. What you want to do is use your body to present a positive characteristics. For instance, you want to use your posture so that you look good, you stand up straight. Second thing you want to do is you don't want to be tense, you want to be relaxed. Relax always looks good in the way of the audience, helps you connect better. Another thing, you always want to be making eye contact with the individual, whether it's an audience looking around or an individual talking to them. That way they know that you see them, that you hear them, and you're understanding who they are and what they need to hear. Bonus tip, you always want to be facing the audience. You don't want to turn your back to them or look to the side, because then they're not going to feel like you're seeing them or hearing them. So the way to appear confident in front of the audience is use your posture, look at your audience, be relaxed, and remember to always face your audience so you look confident.